Hello friends, I hope you are well. Today I want to make a tutorial and to keep going on what I started, and that is in a different tutorial there which you will find on my account on my channel. I created a flow where I extracted all the tweets from Twitter in an Excel file and in SharePoint as well, and I uploaded that in Power BI and I created a dashboard. I added just a hashtag, which is COVID-19, and so I wanted only for that subject to get the tweets from Twitter. So now I want to keep going with that. So I want, when, let's say, a new row is added in SharePoint or any row is updated, I want to receive an email. So let's start doing that. Okay friends, so what we want to do, we go to templates in Power Automate and we type SharePoint. We can see that we need to find the right this one. When an item is in a SharePoint list is modified, send an email. Okay, we click on that flow template. It's asking to choose the SharePoint. I think it's this one. And test tweets. So I created already the list name where it's saving all the time the. Okay, perfect. So now we have the flow created. So it's saying that I choose already the site address, I choose the list name. It's saying that get my profile from there and send an email. So it's sending an email to my email and it's adding all those items. It's saying that row, here it's the title of the row or the row, and it was modified by, and it's saying the name of the person who modified, and the item was modified, and so on. So here it's just a template, so we don't go in those details. So we have this already created. To test it, I'll just give it a try now, but I think I need to run the other flow to add some data in the SharePoint first, and after that automatically this will start to run. But let's try it like that. Okay, so we see that we have your flow ran successfully. So we see that this was running 5 times, because probably 5 times the row was updated. And let's see if we got any emails on that. So, oh yeah, so you can see that those emails we just received at 6 or 8. So all those tweets from Twitter, and they were added in Excel automatically when people posted those tweets, and from Excel they were shared on SharePoint list, and from there we connected automatically and we created this flow, and we got an email with the notification. So friends, in this way you can automate your processes and you can get automatically notification on your email when someone will update a row in a SharePoint, or when new rows they are added on the SharePoint. This is very helpful, I think, and it's apart from a big process of automation which I did, from getting the tweets from Twitter, adding them in Excel and SharePoint, and from there creating a Power BI dashboard which is automatically refreshed with those data, and you get also emails when the new rows they are added. I hope you like my video. If you like it, please give me a like and maybe subscribe if you want to see more videos like that. Thank you.